of all, kung hindi mo alam kung paano mag-start, same. It's the same landscape for everybody. And we're dealt with different cards, pero yung landscape is the same. We start from nothing. We start not knowing anything. So yung mga tao nagsisimula, hindi ko kasi alam kaya ayoko mag-start. Paano mo malalaman kung hindi mo uumpisahan? First step, tanggapin mo na wala ka talagang alam. Start from a blank slate, be open, and start learning kung ano mang industry yung gusto mong pasukin.
Yes.